Okay, now motherfucker, this time it's real, asshole. Cause we gonna go shooting this time. And this time there ain't gonna be no bitch standing in our way. There ain't gonna be nobody who gonna be stopping this shit, yo. I guarantee. Shit, I hope not, anyway. Hold on, let me put my gun in my ass so it's concealed a little bit. And, oh, I got that can too. I got my can. And it's gonna be the shit. I guarantee it. Okay. So, look. Hopefully I ain't gonna shoot the camera, so I'm gonna be extra careful. But the camera gonna be real close. You dig it? So, yep. Don't fall over. Okay. Alright, see, it's real close. Alright, see. And this is the dog, Matt. I gotta be real quiet. Cause, yeah.